Situational irony. So what is a situational irony? The definition is a situational irony refers to the outcome of a situation that is contrary or different from what is expected. What does it mean by this definition? Simply it means when you expect something but the situation completely changes and something opposite happens. So simply it is called a situational irony. The best example is in the story of The Gift of Magi by O. Henry. Because we see a wife in the story cutting off her hair to sell in order that she buy a watch chain for her husband. And the husband at the same time selling his watch to buy an accessory for his wife's hair. So it is a situational irony because what they expected did not happen, but something different happened. The next example is two bank robbers' car has been stolen while robbing a bank. Here it is a situational irony because they were robbing a bank, but the situation changed. Instead of bank robbing, they themselves were robbed. So this is a situational irony because they wanted to rob the bank, but something opposite happened because they were robbed instead. And the next example is a person came to kill his enemy, but he was killed. Here in this example, a person came to kill another person, but the situation changed and he himself was killed. And the next example is Smith wakes up late and thinks he is going to be late to school and he rushes to get dressed. Then he realizes that it is Sunday. So in this example, Smith expected something else, but something opposite happened. So this is a situational irony.